What's up guys, it's Motonion here. I'm on the blue bike in the field and we're going to do some riding today. Unfortunately I've got very little fuel in here, so I don't know how long this is going to last, but at least it's going to be good fun, I hope. That was a surprise, it never starts up first kick. Let's go. I haven't ridden this bike in so long. I want to get used to it quick. It's running out of fuel. So the blue bike is still looking the same as what it always has done. Nothing's changed on it yet, as of yet. I've just got loads of mud flicked up my back. I think we're going to go for a speed run quick. I haven't done that in a while. It's a little bit slippery, but it should be good. It's just running all right now. Got some fuel over. Right, let's put the riser down. Let's go for the speed run, shall we? Right, you ready guys? Let's do this. Let's go again. So yeah, I've still got the same front mount. I adjusted it slightly, so I don't know how this is going to look, but let's try a wheelie quick. I ain't done this in a while. But I'm going to get some speed going into this corner and hit it hard. Oh, overshot. Loads of unders here. That was a perfect corner up there. When I get my street legal, we should have some green laning videos, which will be cool. That will add some more stuff to the channel. I'm gonna do a few BMXing videos probably soon, because I do a bit of dirt BMXing, like dirt riding on dirt jumps and that. So when I get my new tyre coming in, my new pedals, I am going to do some BMXing videos, which will be cool. They're a bit different, add some other sides to the channel as well, which will make it more interesting. I think I'm going to do another speed run. I think I'm just going to, I don't know, I won't power shift my way through. Right, let's put the visor down. Right, let's go. Let's go guys, come on, let's go. Visor up. Oh, that really pushed the engine there, and I don't think it's revved that hard in ages. That's 5 miles an hour. Let's go. That was 30 just then, nearly. This is more comfy. See how long we can go. Ready? Look at that start there. Leave a like, comment down below what you think, and thanks for watching, guys.